Hi, this is Mark with Yeck and I just wanted to drop a quick note and let you know that we are open for business and that we have been deemed an essential business by the Homeland Security Department. And I just wanted to let you know what we are doing as a staff to keep you safe from COVID-19 in our shop. As of March 20th, our lobby will be closed to waiting clients. We are also limiting access to sales reps, parts deliveries, and anybody that's not an official member of our staff into our building. We are disinfecting and cleaning our lobby multiple times a day, and our staff is following a strict protocol as of wearing gloves, using seat covers, floor mats, and doing whatever we can to keep your vehicle clean and safe while we're working on it. We're also increasing our vehicle delivery and pickup services. If you don't even want to come into the shop or come down to the shop, we will come to you, pick up your vehicle, do the service work required, and then drop it off when we're done. Our technology allows us to do everything remotely. We also have a fleet of free loaner cars that are available, which are disinfected before use and after each use. If you don't even want to come into the shop, you can drive down here. We will meet you outside if that's what you so desire. Just want to note that these are very challenging times, but we will make it through it. And we are doing everything in our power to keep you safe and your family safe here at Yeck. Thank you.